under regular time controls. AlphaGo. Now let's see about AlphaGo. AlphaGo is a computer program that plays the board game Go. It was developed by DeepMind Technology, which was later acquired by Google. Subsequent versions of AlphaGo became more increasingly powerful, including a version that competed under the name Master. Now let's see how AI understands human speech. Watson is a question answering computer system capable of answering questions posed in natural language and developed in IBM's Deep Blue project by a research team led by principal investigator David Ferrucchi. Watson was named after IBM's founder and first CEO, industrialist Thomas J. Watson. Now let's see how AI helps in self-driving car, automated mobiles. AI in self-driving cars. Google Cars will automatically speed up or slow down depending on the
மேம்
behavior
இப்போ ஒரு
of the
லிங்க்
car
அனுப்பியிருக்கேன் மேம்.
or the driver ahead.
அவனோட 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 நெட்வொர்க் ப்ராப்ளம் ஆயிடுச்சு மேம். ஸோ அதனால லிங்க்.
Am I audible? Am I audible?
You're audible or not? No, you are audible. Yeah.
Okay. AI and self-driving cars. Google Cars will automatically speed up or slow down depending on the behavior of the car or the driver ahead. Google's self-driving car uses the technology to keep the passengers and other motorists safe by avoiding bumps and crashes. Now let's see how artificial intelligence helps in image recognition. A facial recognition system is a technology capable of matching a human face from a digital image or a video frame against a databases of faces, typically employed to authenticate users through ID verification services. Works by pinpointing and measuring facial features from a given image. Now let's see how sound recognition is done with AI. Sound recognition is a technology which is based on both traditional pattern recognition theories and audio signal analysis methods. Sound recognition is a technology that contains preliminary data processing features, extraction and classification algorithms. Sound recognition technologies are used for music recognition and etc. Next, we will be learning about how is next we'll be learning about how is AI used in text recognition. Text mining, also referred as text analytics, is an artificial intelligence AI technology that uses natural language processing (NLP) to transform the free unstructured text in the documents and databases into normalized structured data suitable for analysis or to drive machine learning ML algorithm. This also helps to generating reports. Now let's see how AI helps in automation. Automation describes a wide range of technologies that reduce human interventions. In process, human intervention is reduced by predetermining decision criteria, sub-process relationships, and related actions, and embodying those predeterminations in the machines. Now let's see how chat the AI chatbot that can simulate a user conversation with a natural language through messaging applications. Chatbots use machine learning and natural language processing, the NLP, to deliver near human like conversation experience. Next, we'll be learning about OCR, optical character recognition. One well known application of AI is OCR, optical character recognition. An OCR system is a piece of software that can take images of handwritten characters as input and interpret them into machine readable text. Now, OCR used to be called AI, but now it is called as routine computing. Now let's see why we have to trust machines as well-trained humans. Trust is a particular relevant to the human AI relationships because perceived risk embedded in them due to the complexity of the behaviors and its future role in the workplace in the present. Some tasks are AI. Now, what are the ethical principles of AI? The very best main two processes of AI is for aiding humans, not for replacing them. AI and the humans need a symbiotic relationship between them. So we have to not fear AI, but explore AI. You have millions and millions of tools built in AI. Pair, pair each tool with other tools. Go forth and create an ethical AI. Intelligent and action, Intelligence and actions to maximize success. Transparency, code of conduct, skills, how will human learn to use it. Now we'll be seeing how AI is used in the medical fields. AI programs are applied in practices such as diagnosis process, treatment protocol development, drug development, personalized medicine, and patient monitoring and care. AI algorithms can also be used to analyze large amount of data through electronic health records for disease prevention and diagnosis. Now let's see how AI is used in agriculture. Why? While using the machine learning algorithms and connected with the image captured by the satellites and drones, AI-enabled technologies predict weather conditions, analyze crop subsequently, and evaluate farms for the presence of diseases or pest and poor plants. And poor plant nutrition on farms with data like temperature and precipitation helps to analyze in machine learning, artificial intelligence. Machine learning in agriculture is used to improve the productivity and the quality of the crops in the agriculture sector. The seed retailers use the agriculture technologies to churn the data to create better crops, while the pest control companies are using them to identify various bacteria and bugs. AI in education. AI can help break down silos between schools and between traditional grades levels. An educator spends a tremendous amount of time grading homeworks and tests. AI can step in and make a quick work out of these tasks while at the same time offering recommendations to close the gap in learning. Now let's see how AI helps in IoT, Internet of Things. AI-enabled IoT creates intelligent machines that simulate smart behavior and supports in decision making with little or no human interference. While IoT deals with devices interacting using the internet, AI makes the devices learn from their data and experience. Now let's see how AI is used in stock market. AI, AI is shaping the future of stock trading. Using AI, robo-advisors analyze millions of data points and evaluate trades at the optimal price. Analysts forecast markets with great accuracy and trading firms efficiently to mitigate risk to provide for higher returns. How did AI help during the corona? AI made predicted possible vaccine candidates for COVID 19 using Vaccine reverse vaccinology, machine learning platform that relied on supervised classification models. AI helped to predict the number of COVID 19 cases, which helped the doctor to be prepared. We have reached the conclusion of the presentation. As you can see, AI helped a lot in a lot of fields. If you want to further study about AI, you can visit the references below. AI for Everyone by Andrew Ng, from Coursera. Artificial Intelligence A to Z, Learn How to Build an AI from Udemy. The Beginner's Guide to Artificial Intelligence in Unity. Introduction to Artificial Intelligence AI, Coursera. Artificial Intelligence for Business. Thank you. You can ask if you have any questions right now.
Great. Nice session, Arnav. And students, if you have any questions, you can definitely ask them with regards to AI and technology. So, Arnav, I'd like to ask a couple of questions to you. So, number one, so where did it all started? Because you are being so young, right? Like நீங்க ரொம்ப சின்ன பையன் சின்ன வயசுல ஏஐ பத்தி பேசுறீங்க ஃபிளட்டர் பத்தி பேசுறீங்க இத பத்தி எல்லாம் பேசும்போது இந்த ஏஜ்ல when did it started and how did it started?
So it all started 3 years back. So how I came to know about computers is before computers, I was learning about math technique called abacus, which helped me to do maths easily. It's something like the Q maths now. So it helped me to do maths really easy. It's called abacus. So after completing abacus, so then I got into computer science. I started with C, and learning abacus helped me to learn more about the functions and everything in the programming field. So I can learn other programming languages easily because I've learned C. So as I started creating projects for